Once upon a time, there were 4 states of matter. The first was solid. He had the most compact molecules of all of them and took the form of an ice cube, and he had a fixed shape and volume. The second was liquid. He had molecules like a dance party. They could move past each other but were still snug. He took the form of water, and he had an indefinite shape and a definite volume. The third was gas. She had molecules so far apart that they hardly ever met each other. She felt herself to be above her brothers, solid and liquid, because she had no fixed shape or volume, and she can go anywhere she wanted. She took the form of steam. One day, while gas was flying to Pluto, she came across plasma. Not a lot is known about plasma, as she is extremely secretive and mysterious. The end. Story by Elena J. Illustrations by Elena J. Voicing by Elena J. Script by Elena J. Today, we will be learning about vaporization, condensation, freezing, and melting. We have a special guest here today to help us with our learning. Everyone, please welcome Mr. Ice Cube. Mr. Ice Cube, could you please explain to us what vaporization is?
Well, vaporization is a process of liquid to gas. The molecules are overloaded with energy in the form of heat and start drifting away from each other, while the intermolecular distance grows larger.
Mr. Ice Cube, could you please explain to us what condensation is?
Condensation is almost the complete opposite of vaporization and is the process of gas to liquid. The molecules lose tons of energy because they're getting colder, and slowly they come back to form a liquid with a small amount of intermolecular distance.
Mr. Ice Cube, could you please explain to us what freezing is?
Freezing is the process of liquid to solid, where the molecules lose a certain amount of energy and the molecules become very close together so they cannot move, as they have practically no intermolecular distance.
Mr. Ice Cube, could you please explain to us what melting is?
Melting is the opposite of freezing, where the molecules gain a certain amount of energy in the form of heat, and the molecules move away from each other, increasing the intermolecular distance.
The end. Story by Elena J. Illustrations by Elena J. Voicing by Elena J. Script by Elena J. Special thanks to Mr. Ice Cube. Gas, liquid, solid, and plasma. Some extra notes. Plasma cannot be found on Earth. Plasma can form structures under certain circumstances.